Hip-hop's an alien workshop where I conduct experiments, not unlike the construction of the pyramids. A bit mysterious to some and a little complex. Let me provide context. I've been ill from the onset. I ride the rhythm with the suspense of a bomb threat. You'll be on pins and needles when I'm on the pen and needles in the groove. Feeding intellects improve, hearing truth's movements through the monitors. My moniker's an apparent paradox. Therein it rocks the thoughts of any who thinking if not, erasure's all you got. This blackboard scored points for teaching classes and the joints dropped, and the ones that didn't taught me the most. And so with that I know I ought to boast in my weakness and grace that I've been shown's what I try to season my speech with. Love is labor intensive, not for the soft or squeamish. These days are evil, yet the Father has redeemed us. Welcome to my workshop, where the words dropped until the earth stops spinning and the hurt stops winning. Welcome to my workshop, where the words dropped until the earth stops spinning and the hurt stops winning. Welcome to my workshop, where the words dropped until the earth stops spinning and the hurt stops winning. Welcome to my workshop, where the words dropped until the earth stops spinning. Feel like my life is on a table being dissected. Curiosity of the extraterrestrials directed at this man. How I landed here's beyond me at the moment, but the truth is I'm intrigued myself as to where this is all going. Headed on a close encounter of the word kind. Third eye blinded, no longer kind of stronger for the vine. Wind up for the pitch, still ignoring the itching ears and remain to scratch the wax. Plus the surface is attacked and punctured. Persevere from the left to the right. Stereo is clearly surrounding you, leaving you without an exit strategy. Now you're trapped in tragedy, pinned by I fly grammatics.